to my channel. If you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today's video is going to be an update slash haul video. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and then go from there. And then talk about update video where I've been and why I haven't been posting videos and the new videos. So I got new markers. And that's what I got. And it's really cute. This is what it's called. 120. And this cost me 84 bucks on Amazon. I'm not joking. And then this is what it looks like. I'm trying to get it really closely. And I'm going to try to put the link in my little description below if you want to check it out. And then I'm going to put these on my new sketchbook so I can write these with the numbers. So, and yes, that one's coming tomorrow. So these came in today and that one's coming tomorrow. So, and update. So, if you guys wondering why I haven't been on here, it's because I've been taking a break. I'm not on break in May, because I just came back from my cruise trip. It was amazing. I wanted to do a cruise all the time because I got sick and it was bad. I got a sinus infection, so I think I got sick on the fifth day. On the fifth day, I was a little bit worse because my throat was like sore. And then on the sixth day before we leave on the ship, my throat was like hurting and then my head was like pressure up here. It was bad. So I had a blast. So my first experience I had in Mexico is the dolphins. I'll put the picture right here of the dolphins. It was the best time I had in my life. I was scared to get in the water because I can't touch because of the knife vest. So I can't touch. So, and then the other thing I saw was just big old friggin' lizard. I put the picture right here. I hold a lizard. I love lizards. And there was a pair I want to hold, but I didn't get the chance to hold it. But I love lizards. It's like, it has a long tail. I don't know what they call it. Morgana, or whatever you call it. It was a beautiful lizard. I love lizards. I don't think we don't have iguanas here. I think we just have regular lizards like they have in Texas, but I don't know. And what else did I saw? Oh, flamingos. I love flamingos. We saw them in Mexico. So I put that picture right here. I don't know how my picture, but I put it right here. I love flamingos. They're beautiful. I think that's all I saw in Mexico. And then, so yeah. And so another update is that, where I've been, where I haven't been posting. Like I said, I've been taking a break. And I've been busy with family because Father's Day is coming up. And I think in a week. So I will be posting on Father's Day because I want to spend time with my family, especially my dad. And then, and so yeah, and talking about new videos coming soon. I just posted this like 2 days ago. Update video. I just today. I'll just do it today. And then how to grow your channel for 2025. That will be on June 11th, and then room tour June 20th. Day in life vlog June 24th, and then my paranormal experience story June 29th, and then happy 4th of July vlog. That's gonna be really cool vlog. So for the 4th, I'm not gonna buy any fireworks this year because where I'm from, they're really expensive because I bought fireworks last year. They're like $80 or $90 for freaking fireworks for like a small package. I would say like this for like example. Because I just want to do like a couple of fireworks, but I'm not buying 80 fireworks this year because they're really expensive. And I'm not gonna do like the big ones because the big ones they go up in the air. Like those ones at Disney, you can't do those ones in the air because if you have a fire band or watch or warning, you can't do it. But it's been waiting a lot, so it's been waiting a lot, so we might do them. But people's been buying like illegal fireworks in Wyoming, and they actually bring them here. I was like, how do you not get caught? Like, but it's not my business. But anyways, like if your channel gets boss supported, because like mine did, but I'm not gonna say who did it. I'm just gonna, but it is okay to start a new channel because it does take time to grow. Because my old channel takes a long time to grow because I had like 2,400 something subs. I don't know what number, but I work hard on that channel, but I don't really care about subs. It just takes time to grow. Oh, my arm popped. But yeah, so. And I want to tips like how to grow your channel, like what editing apps I use to grow faster, or how to get more views. I use TikTok. I mean, not TikTok. I use CapCut on my editing apps. I don't know why I say TikTok, but I don't use TikTok. I used to use TikTok because I like to watch videos, but I deleted it because it's like TikTok is gonna get banned. I'm gonna take it down, so I deleted my account. So that's why I don't use TikTok anymore. So yeah, the only editing apps I use is Canva for like my thumbnails or intros, and CapCut. That's what I use. Or do I have them on here? I think I do. I used to use VLLO, but it got boring because then I had like the stuff I like on CapCut that I like the little sounds, like the what do you call it, the click sounds that I like. So video shot, if you're really like a new like beginner, I used to use that app when I first started YouTube in 2020, and then I don't know what I started using when I was 2020. I think I just used iMovie and Video Shop. I don't remember. But that's a really good app too. Because a lot of YouTubers use Photoshop, CapCut, VLLO. So, I don't know. I'm not an expert on YouTube, but I might just start going back to Photoshop because I don't have it on my phone. I just have it on my iPad, but I don't have that much storage to film because I have games and stuff. I just watch YouTube on my iPad because it has bigger screen than my iPhone. So on this, you can actually like record. See if I like take a picture of this. Hold on. Okay. So if I take a picture of this, for example, and if I know, and if I Sorry, my iPad's being dumb. If I put haul video, for example, I actually use this app a lot on my old channel. Not my recent video, not my recent channel, but my old channel. And they have like cute stuff. Like, I use this one a lot. And you can actually make the size. And so this is like, I'm just showing you guys for example the app I use when I first used the app, when I first started my channel back then. And you can go, I might use this app when I get on my phone because I like to use this app. So yeah. So that's all I have to say to end this video. I just want to show you guys what editing apps I use on my iPad. I might get the app on my phone because I like Video Shop, because I usually use that on my old video, no, I can say video channel back in 2020. And then I used it on my other old channel and then my recent old channel. And then I might start using that on this channel because I missed that app. So it is free, but you have to pay, I think. Let me look at it. Let me see. I think you have to pay. Yeah. So 1 month $3.99, 12 month $23.99, lifetime $100. Watermark $2.99. I don't know what that is. Canva, I don't know what that is. But I don't pay because my mom do have stuff that I like. So I might get Photoshop. I might ask my mom because it's a free app. If it says free on Apple, you can get it. Like on the app, you can get it. But if it says paid, like a $sign, and I'm not gonna get it because I don't waste money on editing apps. So yeah, that's all I have to say to the video today, about this video today. And stay tuned for more videos. So yeah, also I haven't been on YouTube because I've been really busy and stuff. Don't worry, I'm back. I decided not to post videos every day, but I do go live here and there. Just depends on the days and my moods and that stuff. But I might post a video tomorrow on my sketchbook, like put these on my sketchbook on my live or a video. I don't know. Depends on my mood, if I'm like in the mood. I've been had low energy lately because of this weather. Because we're getting rains and storms and stuff. So, well, I better end this video and edit. And I'm gonna see you guys maybe tomorrow or Tuesday, depending if I'm not busy with stuff. Because if I have a massage, I'm not gonna post a video. Depends. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good Sunday, and I probably won't do a video or live on Prince's birthday because it's gonna be hard for me, but I will let you guys know on my community posts. I will let you guys know. But anyways, I hope everyone has a good Sunday. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Bye, guys.